Today we shall discuss the importance of stop loss. So many fellows, 70 to 80% of traders don't like stop losses. Why? Because they are complaining. Whenever they are putting the stop losses, first the price comes down, hit their SM, and that is going up again. But in our 11 years experience, and there are so many traders who are having 30-35 years experience, I tell you that stop loss is the most important thing in this market. Because if you are alive, you can do anything tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But if you are dead, everything is finished. So whenever you are placing any order, you just keep the stop loss there. And that stop loss should be very small. Because if your mistake is a small mistake, if your loss is a small loss, then you can recover it anymore. So when you bought suppose silver, you can place at right time 100 to 150 point stop loss. Generally all over India, many tippers are giving you the stop loss 500 to 700 points. So if you are taking 100 point stop loss for 5 times, then you will be equal to their losses. If stop loss didn't hit after placing it and the price is coming down, suppose you bought the silver at 55,300, keep the stop loss of 55,100, and now suddenly the market is coming down. So you don't wait to hit the SL at 55,100. You can do one thing. If the market is going down, just go and sell the silver at 55,250. If you are seeing that, you are watching that there is some bad news or there is some circumstances due to which market is now moving up right now, you just exit in just 50 point losses. You don't need to lose 200 points because remaining 150 points will be used for another trades, and that will help you very much. So book the losses when they are very small. If that burden is not so much, then you will be very light to trade at any time. Sometimes we feel very bad when we book a very small profit and the market is going up straight. Suppose we book the profit of 300 points in silver and silver moved up 1200 to 1500 points. Then what should we do? You just think in percentage. Suppose you booked 300 points in a big lot or in mini lot, then you can continue with micro lots. So I suggest you to, if you are able, you have the capacity to purchase 30 kg silver in one shot, then I suggest you to go for 6 mini lots, because in 6 mini lots it is possible to book the profit for 4 lots and wait in remaining 2 lots. So trading behavior is a subject on which we should discuss maximum. Suppose you have bought the silver as 55,300, then it went to 55,700 at some particular time, say 2:30 p.m. and then after seeing 55,700, suppose it is coming down to 55,500 only. So you didn't sell at 55,700 and now it came down just 200 points and you are worried and now you want to sell in the bottom. Because if you want to wait for 1000 points, then you can't consider 200, 300 points fluctuation. It will be there. So there is a great cost or big cost for big profits. There will be big tensions and big profits. If you are not able to cope up with the tension, then I suggest you to get the small profits frequently. So in today's market, on 27th August, you can see, suppose in case of crude or silver, market is going straight. You can see just chart of crude. It is going up rapidly. Here at 11:30 it gave a clear movement. Suppose you took a stop loss of 6 points. 6 points is a very small stop loss. It may hit. Suppose it hit once, then you entered at another time slot at before 12:30. Now it didn't hit and it went 20-30 points up. It's okay. You earned 20 points. Now we are having a 1500 rupees surplus to experiment. Now you are watching that still the market is very strong and suppose crude is breaking the high. So you can put a buying stop loss above the high, and above the high it was bought. You put the stop loss as 6 or 7 point and now it just went to 150 point higher from that place. So no tipper can send you tips frequently. When you are taking your own decisions, then you will be able to trade frequently and get the profits frequently. And you can take the responsibility of 6-7 points. And suppose at one time you made mistakes, second time you made mistake, third time you will learn from that, and then you will recover your 14, 15 or 20 points. So don't get afraid. Go ahead and learn to trade with stop losses. Don't trade in more scripts or more commodity simultaneously. Suppose you entered in 4 commodities at particular time, then I suggest you to trade very fast and exit from 2 out of 4 at cost to cost or with small profits. If you can't take fast, then I suggest you to not to go for 4 scripts simultaneously, because whenever we are entering in the 4 scripts or 4 commodities, and we see in our trading records by Alter F6, we are seeing that we are having 4,000 rupees profit, and then all the commodities came down, profit is now 0, and if another dip is coming there, you will see 6,000 rupees minus, because there are 4 commodities simultaneously standing there. So if these are creating the big profits, and if you are not able to book fast, then all those will create a big loss also. So I suggest not to enter in all the commodities simultaneously. Book one by one, profit one by one, and then enter into another commodity. In case of over trading, tax and brokerage is a heavy burden on you, and that is a hidden danger to you. So try to control your brokerage and taxes by no over trading. Thank you.